video is about water candles. Do you know how to make water candles? Let me teach you. It's an easy and awesome DIY. Let's start with the items required. I use these candle wicks from old candles. Isn't that amazing? I will show you few types of water candles. First one. Take an empty glass jar. Take some pebbles and put them into the jar. Take the souvenir and keep it inside. Now pour some water. I poured some water and you can see how beautiful it looks. The next step is pour some oil on the water. It looks like this. Since the oil is lighter than the water, it floats. So this is the plastic sheet from a plastic grocery bag, and I cut a circle out of it. It's okay if it's not a perfect circle, and make a hole in the center. Take the candle wick and put it through the center. So this is how it looks, and it floats on top of the water. So now place the candle wick on the oil. This is how it looks. I have placed a plastic sheet with the candle wick on top of the oil. Wow! It looks so amazing! Look at this, guys! Whoa! So, the next candle is with glitter. I poured some water and now put some glitter into the water. Mix it well with the brush. See how amazing it looks. Look at all the glitter over here. It's really attractive. I like it a lot. Comment down below which one you like the most. Wow, it's like a pattern. Now we need to pour some oil. And this is. Now place the candle wick on the oil. Wow, now I will light it up. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new notifications. Bye bye. See you in the next video.